Hey everybody, happy Monday. It is Monday, November 30th of 2020, depending on when you happen to be watching this video. I just did a whole video when I actually made these trades just a few minutes ago and it didn't work. So I have to re-record. So I apologize that I'm kind of giving you the information after the fact, but hey, we all have to do what we all have to do. So I wanted to start with the two trades that were previously open. The first one is the Aussie yen, which is showing here. And you can see that we are still, unfortunately, in the hole by about 57 pips. But if we look down here, we can see that SSL is still giving us an upward signal. Our QQE is still above the 50, and if you notice, if we go right over there, I'm gonna point you to this little data window here because I have it set up for the QQE. So if we go here, we can tell that the QQE current time frame, which is the blue line, is at 59.6. And the value 2 line, which is the white dotted line, is at 54.7. So that's a good sign. Those two have not crossed. I use the cross of those two lines as an exit indicator. Entries, all I look for is if the blue line is above or below 50. I have added this additional indicator down here. It's called the multi-sync index. It just gives another indication for trend, and that's also still showing an uptrend. So we're just going to let that one hold, and we will see where it goes because there's nothing in particular telling us to get out right now. The other one that I had opened previously was a Great Britain pound yen. All right, and as you can see, this one's starting to come up a bit. It was very close, it looks like, to hitting an exit signal. If remember, QQE, those two lines crossing the blue line with the white dotted line, is an exit signal. But let me get my crosshairs so I can put this on. Now go back and look at that data window. For my QQE, you can see that the blue line is still at 58.16 and the white line is value 2 and that's at 56.97. So those have not crossed yet. So everything is still indicating an uptrend. We have our SSL, our QQE, and the multi-sync agrees as well. So we're going to leave that one alone. I did have a couple of new ones that I decided to open, and I'll show you why. The first one is the Euro Canadian dollar. Pull that over, and I'll show you some of the reasons why I had decided to open this one. So we're opening on this candle right here. But you'll notice that's actually, if you look right here, you'll see that the signal actually came one day ago, which actually would have been Friday because it's the last trading day. However, on that day, our volatility was low. So that was a no-go. So now on Monday, this is the next trading day, which means we're using our one candle rule. So it's the second day for the signal. Signal is still valid. Our QQE is above the 50. And today we have valid volatility. And look at this. Whoops, let me get rid of my crosshairs here. So look at this. It came way down. So we're either getting this at a really big discount and it's going to go the other way, or it's going to continue to go down, but we don't have that far to our baseline. So if it closes on the opposite side of the baseline tomorrow, then we will just close it and take our loss. but it won't be too terrible. And right now it's up about 8 pips. So that, and we're only talking a few minutes since I opened the trade. And the other one that I opened was the Euro Swissy. Let me pull that one open for you. Alrighty. So here you can see on the SSL we have a fresh signal right there. So that's a fresh signal. Price is above the baseline. Our QQE is above the 50. We have valid volatility, and this one shows an uptrend. So I opened that one. It's lost a little ground right there since I did open it, but we'll just let it cook and we will hope for the best. So anyway, guys, I hope you have a really great trading week, and we will just see what the future brings. Take care and happy trading.